Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a review on the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. You probably seen me use this in my last video. So I completely think it's worth the money. Spoiler alert. But if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this, I will insert swatches as well. Please continue watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you like this. And comment down below if you guys like this palette and if you own it and what did you think about it. Honestly, I think I love everything. I have previously used this glitter right here and it's in the shade Millions, and that's pretty much the only one I didn't care for. Oh, I lied actually. I don't really care for Hi Dude, this brown right here. Those are the only two I had trouble with using it previously, but other than that, I love this palette and I think it's stunning, it's great quality, and it's totally worth the price. This actually retails for $35 and you get 30 shades. He also came out with, brushes and all that, and I have all his brushes. I did have his sponges. I used them and then I tossed them. I honestly am not the biggest fan of Morphe sponges. I prefer the Real Technique sponges and the Beauty Blender. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Let's hop into this and get started on this look right here. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into 1985, but first I forgot to prime my lids, so I'm priming my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. That's my favorite eye primer. I already did my face and put a bunch of powder under my eyes in case there's any fallout. This palette has a lot of kick up and a lot of fallout, which I don't mind, but I know some people mind, so I just make sure to prepare for it. And I just keep dipping back into that shade 1985 and blending it above my crease. Now I'm dipping into the shade Wake and Bake, and I'm taking that just slightly underneath 1985, and I'm buffing and blending that out, and I'm taking it all the way into my inner corner and kind of making like a V shape on the outside of my eye, and I just keep blending that back and forth. Now I'm dipping into Nate. It's a darker, brighter green. And I'm taking that even lower and blending it with Wake and Bake. I'm taking an even smaller brush and going into that gray shade called Vroom Vroom, and I'm just packing this and blending it on the outer V of my eye. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm dipping into the black shade called Vaseline, and I'm actually using just like a piece of paper for a straight edge, and I'm using it to pretty much get the shape of where I want the black laid. And I'm not making the black super opaque because I do go in with liner later. This is a flat, like more densely packed shading brush, so I'm just going in there and I'm making sure to pack that black on some more. Now that I have the shape down, I can go back in and kind of carve out that shape a little bit more. Pretty much I want a gradient to make it look smoky.
Now I'm dipping into the shade Glam Rapids, and I'm packing that all over my eyelid with my finger. I find that using your finger with shimmers helps a lot. There was no fallout with that shade either. Then I'm taking this Super Shock shadow from ColourPop in the color Ladybird, and I'm placing it on the inner corner, like over top of that Glam Rapids shade, just for a little added sparkle. Now I'm going back and I'm trying to deepen up the outer corner some more. Now I'm back. I did the other eye off camera, and I'm taking my black eyeliner from Fenty. It's their Fly Liner, and I'm gonna be making just a small wing. And I'm making the line really thin on my eyelid, like against my lash line, because I don't want it to be too thick of a line. I want the green to really show. I am planning on later on doing in-depth tutorials on how to do eyeliner and how to do your face makeup so it lasts all day. So I'll try to get those done as soon as I can. Now the eyeliner's on. Now I'm taking a really flat angled brush and I'm wiggling that back and forth on my lower lash line against the waterline with that black shade Fast Lane. Now I'm taking like a really small detail brush. It's kind of fluffier too, and I'm dipping into Self-Made, and I'm gonna sweep that all along the bottom lash line and kind of using it to smoke out that black. Now I'm sweeping away all the fallout. Now I'm spraying my brush with a little Morphe setting spray, and I'm dipping into the shade 2, and I'm putting that on my inner corner. I didn't end up caring for it, it wasn't bright enough, so I end up going in with Welcome to brighten it up more. And then I also use that as a brow bone highlight. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I put on Mr. Big by Lancome mascara and then some wispy lashes from Ardell. I set my whole face, and then now I'm putting on some lip liner in Nude Beige from NYX, and I'm putting those all over my lips. At first it was kind of stiff, but once I got it warmed up on the back of my hand, it worked really well and I really liked the color. I'm just taking my beauty sponge and making sure that everything's blended on my chin. Now I'm going in with this Dominique Cosmetics Peach Tea lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss. It smells really good and it's a beautiful color. Now I'm going in with the Fenty bronzer in Shady Biz, and I'm using it to bronze up my face. Pretty much going over all the cream contour that I did earlier off of camera. And I'm using it somewhat as a blush to warm up my cheeks. Now I'm going into this Cover FX face palette in light medium, and I'm dipping into the blush shade just for a little bit of blush. Not too much because the eyes are kind of crazy. Now I'm going into this Master Chrome from Maybelline and Nikkie Tutorials, and that was the first time I used it and it was really nice. I'm just taking it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going into my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I'm going in with the cream powders and putting them underneath my eyes just to make myself look more awake. And that's pretty much it, guys. I set my face with some Morphe setting mist.
Alright guys, well this is the look right here. This is what we ended up with. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you've tried this palette out, like I said, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm looking for more subscribers, and you know, I just kind of want to share my beauty tips with you guys and have fun. I really like having this as a side hobby now, so I think it's definitely something that I'm going to continue to do. And you know, like I said, I just want to get as many videos out for you guys as I can and keep you up to date on all the new launches and everything. One product I will mention, I used this in the beginning. This is the first time I've used it. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. I think it's the cherry one, Juicy Gloss. It just came out. These are very hydrating. I put it on before I started my makeup and it really hydrated my lips a lot. So I really like that. But overall, guys, this is a hit for me. $35 for 30 shades, and you can even go online to Morphe's website and use all these YouTubers' codes, you know, and get 10% off. So I know Jeffree Star just came out with his code with Morphe, and it's just JStar, and you get 10% off. So I think that's really awesome. It goes to charity. I think that's just fabulous that, you know, it goes to charity. So check that out, guys. I will insert swatches at some point in this video. Let me know what you guys thought. Everything blended out beautifully, and I will continue to use this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye!